Tomorrow morning, Luthra brothers will be taken from Phuket to Bangkok for legal formalities and final handover to India for the deportation. They will soon be deported to India, where they will face criminal proceedings in the fire tragedy in which 25 people lost their lives. The fire broke out at Saturday night at Luthra brothers owned nightclub Birch by Romeo Lane in Goa. When this tragedy broke out, several safety lapses were highlighted during the probe, which highlighted how this was a tinderbox which was ready to be turned into a tragedy. When the fire broke out, there were narrow exits and other safety lapses like an NOC that was missing from this Goa nightclub. For more, my colleague Tejshri, who has been tracking these details from Thailand, is joining me. Tejshri, tell us more about it. Tomorrow morning is what we are hearing, that they will be taken to Bangkok. When it is likely that they will be dragged back to India to face the law?
Well, absolutely. That's how the procedure over here is as far as the deportation is concerned. And now what we are getting to know is that as of now, they are there in the immigration detention center from where we reported the entire day. NDTV only channel to get the ground report outside the detention center. And now what we are learning is that tomorrow they will be taken to Bangkok. First of all, in Bangkok, all the official formalities will be done. They will be produced in the court over there. And then perhaps, probably they will be handed over to the Goa police if the Goa police flies from Bombay to Bangkok. So now all eyes on tomorrow's hearing as well and tomorrow's development. So as to what happens here, will they be taken to Bangkok or for the further formalities? Because there are also speculations that are making rounds that they could stay here in Phuket as well for 2 to 3 days because the official formalities are yet to be completed. But as of now, what we are getting to know is that there are there's more likelihood that they will be taken to Bangkok for the for other formalities as well. So now remains to be seen that when they will be taken to Bangkok, the timing what we are being told is that most likely it's 9 a.m. according to the Thailand time. That 9 a.m. they will be taken there to the Bangkok along with all the officials.
Okay.